Good morning, students of class 4. Here we will continue the yesterday's topic present tense from NOME workbook. So let's see what we have to do now. In question number 1, we have to underline the verbs that are in simple present tense. Don't underline verbs in any other tense. In these following sentences, I have already underlined the word that are in simple present tense. In A, visits, B, come, C, have, D, throws, E, wets, F, give, G, take and spend. In question number 2, we have to write it down the words from the above question like visit, come, throw, wets, give, take, spend, have, and then we have to make sentences of our own. Here, two of the make sentences I have done. For example, like visit, she is visiting her maternal grandparents right now, and my cousins are coming from Mumbai. The simple present tense, the verb in simple present tense is being changed in is visiting, are coming, because we have to convert this verb in the present continuous tense. Rest of the word are here for you to make sentences in present continuous tense. Now, as an vocabulary, we have to learn some of the rules for making plurals. We already learned that the word ending in F, we usually change that F into VES to make it plural. But some of the words are there which don't follow this rule. For example, roof, roofs, cliff, cliffs, gulf, gulfs, cuff, cuffs, sniff, sniffs, chief, chiefs. In the first question, we have to copy the word above, the word that is written in above paragraph. We have to copy it into the notebook. You can find more such kind of plural words from the help of a dictionary. Now, here write the plurals of this following. Here are some of the words that we have to make plural of it using ES, VES and simple S. Hero, heroes, piano, pianos, banjo, banjos, potato, potatoes, gulf, gulfs and cliff, cliffs. Now here are some practice time. Round and round the rugged rock, the ragged rascal ran. Say how many hours in that, and you are a clever man. Actually, it is for pronunciation part. You have to repeat it several times so that you can speak it correctly. Then here we have to find some of the nouns. It is much more easier to you, like a person who makes bread is a baker. So find out such type of helpers name. We can say it, they are the helpers. A person who types, typist. A person who digs coal, coal miner. A person who runs a farm, farmer. A person who owns something, owner. A person who makes pot, potter. A person who sells fish, fishmonger. Some of the sentences I have not done because I let it blank for you, that you have to find out such kind of people and write their names in the following. In the same manner, here are another example that here are some of the words. You have to find out the meaning of that. Jockey, the one who ride on the horse. Judge, a person who give judgment. Like optician who sells spectacles or glasses. grocer who sells grocery. Like that, you have to find out the meaning of these words. And here are some of the examples. You read the examples exactly which word should be write it down in the blanks. For example, the dash sentenced the prisoner to 6 years imprisonment. Obviously, the person who give punishment or give judgment to a uh, wrong people, he is judge. So the sentence will be, the judge sentenced the prisoner to 6 years imprisonment. The dash gave Anil a new pair of glasses. The optician gave Anil a new pair of glasses. In the such way, you have to find the proper word and put it down in the proper blank. Here is another type of example. When we say something in a full sentence, we can say it in two different ways, but the meaning will be remain same. For example, uh, if you don't use an umbrella, you will get wet. Or we can say, use an umbrella or you will get wet. Here, if and or meaning is this, the meaning is remains same in the both of the sentences, but the sentences will be written differently. For example, if you don't use an umbrella, you will get wet. अगर तुम umbrella use नहीं करोगे तो तुम भीग जाओगे. या use an umbrella or you will get wet. umbrella use करो, नहीं तो तुम भीग जाओगे. In such a manner, you have to complete the following sentences. For example, if you don't go now, you will miss the bus. Or you can write this sentence in another way, go now or you will miss the bus. Like that, if you don't stop playing with the knife, you will cut yourself. Stop playing with that knife or you will cut yourself. In similar manner, some of the sentences are here. You have to write it down in your notebook. And here are some more vocabulary that is related in the kitchen. The words are jumbled. You have to write them correctly, like oven, knife, cooker, stove, frying pan, sink, spoon, ladle, saucepan and refrigerator. This will enhance your vocabulary too. This is done for today. That's all. Good day.